Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to reduce game lag and improve gaming performance on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If your games are stuttering, freezing, or running slowly, these settings may help improve performance. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your computer. From the left side, click on System. Then select Storage. Make sure Storage Sense is turned on. Now tap on Cleanup Recommendations and remove unnecessary temporary files. This can free up storage and improve system performance. Next, go back and tap on Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, select Best Performance. This allows Windows to prioritize performance while gaming. Now click on Apps from the left side. Then select Startup. Disable any startup apps that you do not need. This helps free up memory and system resources. Next, click on Gaming. Then tap on Game Mode. Make sure Game Mode is turned on. This helps Windows optimize your PC for gaming. Now go to Windows Update from the left side. Tap on Check for updates and install any available updates. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Once you have completed these steps, restart your computer. After restarting, launch your game and check if the lag has been reduced. So this is how you can fix game lag on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.